Hello everyone, welcome back here once again. Today we are going to be making coconut oil together. So sit back, relax, share, comment, and let's do this together. So I'll be using 4 coconuts, which I'm using my hammer to crack open. Very important, do not waste the coconut water because it is very healthy. You can use it for juice, smoothies, or you can drink it directly. So after breaking it, I'll remove all of the flesh from the shell. If it's difficult, you can use the tip of the knife to remove any tough shell and then throw it off. All done now, I'll just wash. Some persons peel off the brown parts. I am not doing that. I'm just going to blend straight away. If you don't have a blender, you can use this box grater. Just use the little parts and grate it all. But that takes a lot of time. So I just chop it into small bits and throw all of it into the blender. Into the blender goes the coconut, then I add in water and blend until it is very smooth. I do that in batches so that I don't overwork my blender. When that is done, I'll be using a cheesecloth to strain out the milk. You can use a pillowcase if you don't have a cheesecloth, or the cloth to which we use for our ugi making. I'll just make sure that I press out all of the water, or you can even use your strainer to do that. Just press out all of the water like so. So I just strain out all of the water and set aside for 12 hours or overnight. Unfortunately, my fridge worked like a freezer, so it freezed up the whole milk water. I had to leave it out for another few hours for it to, dissolve. But then after 12 hours, when you bring it out from your fridge, what you need to do is to skim up the upper part, which is the oil. It will be solidified, maybe more solid than mine. Just skim all of that into a cooking pot or a saucepan, just like I am doing. When you're done taking out the solidified upper part, the bottom, that is the water, liquid, can be used to cook your curries, your rice. Do not throw it away. I use mine to make rice. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your thoughts and comments. Where are you watching me from? Have you made coconut oil at home before? Make sure to also use organic coconut. So now I move the saucepan onto the gas cooker. I'll just keep stirring because I don't want it burnt. On low heat, that's what you should do. My gas is 1, 2, 3. I am cooking on 2. So I'll just keep stirring. It doesn't take too long before everything turns into oil. Just keep watching, guys, and drop me your thoughts and comments. Share as well. This helps to promote or distribute my videos. Thank you. We are almost there. You just keep stirring. It boils like this and then it begins to separate. If you've ever made coconut oil, do let me know in the comment section. And here you see, we are almost done. It separates this way. So you just keep stirring and stirring. Do not go away. And then if you keep stirring, the white part keeps turning brown. Keeps turning brown. I don't want my oil to be extremely dark, so I will not cook it until it's very dark. So our oil is done. I'll just strain it out, into the container to which I'll be using to preserve it. For the 4 coconuts, I got about 200 ml of coconut oil. That's it. And it smells very good. So very easy, straightforward. I don't think it's quite stressful to make coconut oil at home. If you do try out this recipe, do let us know. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.